This place is wild, completely abandoned.
When the Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor, our west coast became a potential combat zone. Living in that zone were more than 100,000 persons of Japanese ancestry. 2/3 of them American citizens, 1/3 aliens. Most were loyal, but no one knew what would happen among this concentrated population if Japanese forces should try to invade our shores. Military authorities therefore determined that all of them, citizens and aliens alike, would have to move. Neither the Army nor the War Relocation Authority relished the idea of taking men, women, and children from their homes, their shops, and their farms. So the military and civilian agencies alike determined to do the job as a democracy should, with real consideration for the people involved.
Just think of what this place was like during the war and all of the Japanese that had to live here. This place is amazing.
You got any water in there?
So there's a car over here. Right there. I don't think anybody's in it. I'm trying to find a way in here somewhere. Came all the way down this fence line, and then the fence is open right here. This is our way in. So I'll go first and check for snakes. Wow.
That looks like people are running.
Yeah, I think they did that to keep it from falling apart. Look at that. It looks like this building was made out of adobe. It's just dirt walls. Whoa! Look at that weird beehive. Oh, cool, fire hydrant.
Let's go in this barn. Ooh, you in the library?
It says language for daily use.
Whoa, look at all the books.
Okay, this is amazing. Look at all of this. All these books. This is like maybe the library or something. There's some old school desks. There's so much history in this place. The date on that, 1970. Wow, this place just goes on forever. There's like a ton of buildings on this site. We've seen probably 8 or 9 of them so far, and it just seems to keep going. Yeah, a lot of them are the same.
This brief picture is actually the prologue to a story that is yet to be told. The full story will begin to unfold when the raw lands of the desert turn green, when all adult hands are at productive work on public lands or in private employment. It will be fully told only when circumstances permit the loyal American citizens once again to enjoy the freedom we in this country cherish, and when the disloyal, we hope, have left this country for good.